Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, all you will need to do for this process is your LT wallet, your Telegram account, and your wallet, your Binance account, maybe your Trust wallet or any wallet you like. So guys, the LT wallet is quite new and they have an ongoing airdrop. I have received mine 5000 LT, which is worth $209 currently. So guys, if you want to get your USDT, here's how you do it. So you go to your Telegram account and you search for LT wallet AI. So guys, you click on the first one. After that, you click on the start button. So guys, ensure you're using the correct LTAI bot. Beware of scammers. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the withdraw button, and then they'll ask for your LT wallet address. So you go back to your LT account, you copy your wallet address, and then you come back here and paste it. So you input your password, and then you continue. So our login was successful. Alright guys, so the next step is to input the amount of LT we want to withdraw. In our case, we'll be using our 5000 LT. And then we input it. Alright guys, so they have received our withdrawal request. And it says in order to complete it, we have to pay a withdrawal fee. Okay guys, so now we copy the withdrawal payment address. And then we proceed to our Binance. So guys, as you can see, we are currently paying our transaction fee. So we paste the address and then we click on the network. I believe it's TRC20 and confirm. So the withdrawal fee is $35, approximately $36. So we put in $37. Alright guys, so we click on withdrawal, we confirm. Alright guys, so we have successfully paid our transaction fee. So right now, you click on view history. And then guys, you take a screenshot of your transaction. So once you find it, you forward it. So guys, right now it says your withdrawal is approved and your payment is currently being processed. So all you have to do now is to wait guys. So guys, I just confirmed I have received my payment of 209 USDT. Okay, so as you can see, our LT has been withdrawn successfully. And now we've confirmed the bot is working 100%. So all we need to do now is to go and use it. Thank you guys for watching. Please do ensure to like and subscribe.